Welcome once again. This is Video Learning Uganda revision series where we look at the revision of all subjects. But today we are into ordinary level biology, and in particular we are on question 11 of episode 1, our second last question. Part A, what is meant by photosynthesis? Part B, state Roman numeral 1, 2 raw materials necessary for photosynthesis to take place. And two conditions that must be present before photosynthesis can take place. And Roman numeral 3, 2 products formed during photosynthesis. And then part C, how are leaves adapted for photosynthesis? So we look at part A, what is meant by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which organisms manufacture complex organic matter from simple inorganic matter using light energy. That is how you can define photosynthesis. And then part B, the raw materials necessary for photosynthesis include water and carbon dioxide. And then part B, Roman numeral 2, conditions necessary for photosynthesis include chlorophyll in the leaf to trap light, and then sunlight to provide the necessary energy. And then Roman numeral 3, the products formed during photosynthesis include carbohydrate or glucose or starch, whatever you may call it, and oxygen. Remember, oxygen is very useful when it comes to respiration. That is part B. Now we head to part C. How are leaves adapted for photosynthesis? There are a number of adaptations. 1. Leaves grow and position leaf blade at right angles to incident sunlight, allowing leaves to receive maximum light. That's a good adaptation. 2. Leaves have large surface area, which ensures maximum capture of sunlight. Leaves also have thin blade, allowing maximum light absorption by both the upper and the lower layers of the leaf. And then leaves also arrange themselves on the stem into a mosaic pattern, minimizing overlapping and reduces the degree of shading of one leaf by another to ensure that each leaf receives enough light. That's very important. Leaf cuticle and epidermis are transparent to allow light through to the photosynthetic mesophyll beneath. The palisade mesophyll cells are packed with numerous chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll, the green photosynthetic pigment that absorbs light. That is a good adaptation. The palisade mesophyll cells are also closely packed together to ensure that the palisade mesophyll cells form a continuous layer which absorbs most of the incoming light. That's a very good adaptation that we need to consider in that case. We also look at the leaf vascular system, comprising of the petiole, midrib, and veins. These provide a supporting skeleton which supports and spreads out the leaf for maximum exposure of the surface to light. The leaf epidermis also possesses numerous stomata which allow the exchange of the gases between the leaf and the environment. The spongy mesophyll has a large intercellular air spaces that communicate with the palisade layer and the stomatopores, allowing uninterrupted diffusion of gases between the palisade mesophyll and the atmosphere. Lastly but not least, we look at dicotyledonous leaves possessing a large central midrib containing a large vascular bundle comprising of the xylem and phloem. The xylem permits water and mineral salts to enter the leaf, and the phloem carries away manufactured carbohydrates in the form of sucrose. Now, also these dicotyledonous leaves have an extensive network of veins, while the monocotyledonous leaves have many parallel veins. These veins ensure constant supply of water and mineral salts for photosynthesis and means of removing sugars produced by the leaf. That is very important. And that is question 11. Question 12 is right there on the screen. You're supposed to write it down, try it, work it out, and then as we wait for our video next time. Otherwise, this is Video Learning Uganda, and allow me thank those who view our videos on our channel of YouTube, and you can as well call that number for more videos for direct delivery. Otherwise, thank you for supporting Video Learning Uganda.